You wanted to see what I do in a day, na? So here goes. 7 a.m. I had to take this nut for his pee pee poo poo. आज कुछ ज़्यादा ही जल्दी उठा दिया मुझे. Then being Navroz, I bought some fresh flowers. By the way, liliums are my most favorite flower in the world. And now I'm gonna have my chai while everyone is still asleep. उसके बाद before the husband wakes up, I'm gonna get his chocolate milk ready. Yeah, he's not a chai or coffee person. And then of course get his lunch packed. आज के lunch में we had kaju chicken, चावल and कचुम्बर के बिना life कहाँ. चाय के बाद I have to eat something. So today it is फनस के उबले हुए बीज. उसके बाद my flowers for mummy were secured and I'm walking to deliver them to her. Hey, by the way, these lettuce is from my garden. I love it. I love it. Okay, she's almost kept everything ready and we just have to assemble it now. This beautiful tablecloth is in fact from Iran and it has all of our history hand embroidered on it. It's really, really, really pretty. Huh? Okay, now it's time to assemble. First the diya, then the pigani which has rose water in it. Then that's a mirror. I'll come to that later. Of course, जहाँ मैं हूँ वहाँ पेड़े तो होने ही होने हैं. If you've grown up in Dadar, you know Dida Motor. Yum, the best. Alrighty. Then we have some fruit and garlic and of course lots and lots of dried fruits. अब ये मेरा transition का कमाल देखो from day to ये night हो गया. I went home and came back and 8:15 IST is when Nowruz set in. Basically, Nowruz is celebrating the onset of spring. उसके बाद we look at ourselves in the mirror, smile and take some rose water and shout Josne Solonu. और आज मैंने मम्मी को पूछा इसका मतलब क्या है. वो बोल रही मुझे आज तक पता ही नहीं इसका मतलब कुछ है भी कि नहीं. But we've grown up shouting Josne Solonu, Josne Solonu. So we do that for everyone. And you look in the mirror and smile so that basically you stay smiling through the rest of the year. Uske baad Faluda for everyone. It's like an open house. Everyone's most welcome to come home. My family is all here right now. And it's an over and out from mommy and me. Nowruz Mubarak, everyone.